Hi, I'm Chris Munley with Munley Law, and I want to give you some advice that can help you when you're out driving in some of the treacherous winter weather we experience here in the Northeast. Everybody's car has 4 tires. They're the most important points on the road for your car. Go out and check your tires. There's 4 areas the width of a man's hand that protect you at all times. So you have to make sure that those 4 areas have good tire tread. If they don't, you really run the risk of slipping and sliding or getting into an accident that's really unnecessary. So go check your tires, and if you need new tires, buy snow tires. It's worth the investment in your life to save yourself. And you'll be happy and you'll be able to get wherever you want to go this winter. Another problem that a lot of people have is their cars are light and sometimes they slip and slide on the highway. Easy way to fix that is to go to the home center, buy 4 50-pound bags of salt, throw them in the trunk of your car. That way you'll always have something, if you get stuck on ice, you'll always have something to melt the ice, but it'll also give you more traction as you're going down the road. And it'll help prevent you from sliding back and forth. Another thing you need to invest in is you need to buy a lot of windshield wiper fluid. It's only $4 a gallon. You can put a couple gallons in your trunk, use it liberally. That way you can see who's coming at you, and you can see any obstructions that are in front of you. If your windshield gets dirty, anything could happen to you, and something that's easily prevented. Another thing that you should do, go buy yourself some new windshield wiper blades. I think they cost maybe about 16 bucks a piece. They're easy to change out, they're universal, and you'll have a good clean windshield, and you'll be able to see what's going on the road ahead of you. Another thing I like to do in the winter, and I think that would be very good for you, is if you get a bottle of Rain-X. You take the car in the garage, you clean your windshield off, you put it on till there's a haze, you wait for it to dry, and you buff it off. Then if you get anything liquid that gets thrown up on your windshield, will just bead and push off to the sides. So you won't be blinded if a big plow truck goes by and throws slush up on you, or if stuff comes down from above. It's a way to really protect yourself and keep you from being caught off guard. Another thing that is really helpful, and I think it's kind of silly to say, but kitty litter. It is the greatest thing for traction. If you get stuck in a snowbank, in a ditch, in the side of the road, have a couple bags of kitty litter in the trunk, throw it right onto the wheel, and you'll be able to pull out without having to call a tow truck. The last and most important thing I'd like to tell you about is distance. In the wintertime, always be mindful of the vehicle in front of you. The reason for that is, if they lose control, you want to have enough distance between you and them to make sure that you don't get caught up in their accident. The other reason you want to keep a good distance between yourself and the vehicle in front is there's going to be somebody traveling behind you. And if they lose control, you want to have enough space to get away from them in the event that they come at you. Drive slow, drive safe, don't be in a hurry to get anywhere. If the weather is bad, stay home. But if you have to go out and drive, try some of these tips. They'll make your winter driving at least a little easier. If you need any help, please contact us at Munley Law.